Abantu bamenyete no borema kurwase kaunti ya Kisii ritko rya rero nigo baumirana asensemo ya Kiogoro awasi baba bagukwanerwa no yokorigia kirgo kyo bosenata se kaunti ya Kisii Richard Onyonga oyobagania kumusira aseganga yaya nako bainekere bunanigo arachi kubenyora chinga kichobora ibuaye Onyonga boigo nigabaga kumwakireko ko Simbarati oyokorigia kirgo kyo governor se kaunti ya Kisii wetera se kya makia ODM umurike itonde mo Stephen Noroboti urwasenchira yobuime
Asomo sangerekano yo kisiasa nigabara ibechi miachi abantu babwato oborema koru chibunge kianda chia Kisii banyora chinga kichinto ero ruchogo sange birengeri byabo nababwatani ba kisiasa ba Simbarati.
We were very much humbled to bring us on board. This is so because our votes counts and our votes are not disabled.
Gati yemirobeli baganiritina muno korosiku kwa machiko yo kwegerera abantu babwato oborema chiskuru chia bene kwegwe birogo byo buraime county konyora insurance ya nyagitari gati ya maganiande.
As Kenya yaito, if there is a region where educational institutions chitaiyo chia disability Gusii in the whole of Kisii Ntobuati school ego take care of the physically handicapped.
Richard Momoimonyonka na Doris Donya Aburi mbaru eire yo kwene kibuna amagani y'abantu babwato oborema nanyare goisane kigu baise go chorwa se birogo byo burayi ime county.
If Simba Arati was destined to be governor, he's going to be governor, he's going to help you, he's going to change our lives, and we are going to be happy.
Katika hii serikali ya Simba, kwa sababu yeye ni Simba, tutamwambia bwana Simba, shughulikia hao wa Kenya maalum. Wapatiwe haki yao kama wa Kenya. Muanjie kwa watu ya Simba wake alambe kaunti ya Kisii. Hebu nionyeshe kwa mkono tafadhali. Biamono sana.
We do not want to have a county where people are discriminated against simply because of their status or simply because of their ability or inability. Once the elections are over in the next 2 weeks, it will take us about 30 days and we will engage yourselves as the stakeholders so that we can now sit, put everything on pen and paper.
Inse yechiwikibire goika sobo chorio bonene nigo bona abantu bale bwato bale mabanyalire gwesoki nagote buna kura chiabo njibwati bole mana gosabona bale bakorigie birogo au kunyara gwesoki na korigia magani yabo kuripota gitaseni kia Ndizi TV Elietariane Ndemo Steven.